So, yes, no. In kitchen, stitching up my steering wheel. Oh my God. I don't know whose idea this was. But it's absolutely crazy. Yeah, she's going to be cooking again. So I'll switch around and show you what I've done so far. It's a right faff, but it's looking good to be fair. So I'll show you. Oh, you see a little man there? Ooh. So yes, no. Steering wheel's gonna look banging like that. If it carries on like that, I'll be happy. Hopefully it carries on all the way around like that, and I'm happy with it. I can't remember where I bought the kit from. I think I got it off eBay somewhere like that. You tell them what colour stitching you want and all that kind of shazzle, and then they just send you a kit. It looks pretty good quality leatherette or whatever it is. But yeah, it's better than my steering wheel. I should have took a before and after, but I didn't. So I'm sure might be able to pull one from some old footage or something. I'll have a look. So I'll get back to you in a bit. Big up jungle in my swings. So you've got to be really patient, boys. But if you stitch like this a bit and then go back over your stitches and pull them tight, it's not as bad. So, I suppose you can do any stitch you want, but this is my preferred one, so I'm stitching it like this. And then I'll go back up on them all and pull them tight. So that's a bit I've done earlier. And that's the bit I'm doing now. So I'm just gonna go back over them, pull them tight, and then go down this bit here. So that's it. I'll get back to you in a bit, boys and girls. Do you like my glasses? Oh yes, no! What do you think of that? Tell you what though, that tested my patience to be fair, but I don't think it's turned out bad. Looks nice. I'll put a before and after picture up on. So yes, no, big up Jungle is massive.